The second option is to retrain and start a new career path. This can be a good solution in a couple of cases. First, if you want to change your career, this is your chance for a fresh start. Second, if you work in a profession that requires a serious time investment after each move, for any reason, and you know you are going to move every couple of years, this could be a good solution for you as you can choose a career that fits in your laptop. For example, if you will need to pass qualification exams in each new country, or if there are limited positions in your field, so it could take some time to find a job, or if you'll need to establish your professional reputation every time you move, a new career could be a good option for you to consider. This, too, can provide you with some stability down the road, after the initial phase. The considerations are similar to working in our profession, because it's basically the same. But we should also consider the training period and that we will start at the bottom again, entry-level positions, with everything they imply. If you are wondering which careers can be pursued remotely, you can simply search for remote jobs and browse through the results. For example, if we go to remote.co/remote jobs, we can find financial positions, content positions, developer, healthcare, customer service, HR, legal, and many other fields. Check for the requested seniority levels, as experienced professionals are in higher demand, but that can give us a goal and a general sense of the current market. While learning the new profession, we must remember our timing and availability and plan accordingly. When I chose a coding bootcamp in Berlin, I enrolled to a course that started 2.5 months after we arrived. I figured it would give us enough time to find an apartment, help the kids settle into their new routine, and find a babysitter. The bootcamp was 2.5 months of between 10 and 15 hours each day, not including the commute, and honestly, it was brutal. Besides the babysitter who picked up the kids from their kindergarten, my wife also talked to her boss and asked for some flexibility during this time, which helped a lot. She worked long hours, but was able to return home relatively early some days and then continue working from there. This is a good place to express my gratitude and appreciation for her and emphasize the importance of her mindset yet again. The way we approach moving abroad as individuals is crucial, but we are not doing this move on our own. We are a part of a team. If our relationship tackles each of our individual problems together, it greatly increases our ability to solve them, in addition to strengthening the relationship itself. When choosing the place to retrain, search for both independent programs such as bootcamps and for any programs offered by specific companies. As our goal is to learn and get the first job in our new career, we should make sure that after the training ends, the placement percentages are high, no matter which program we choose. That should be one of our top priorities, if not the topmost one. Before choosing my bootcamp in Berlin, I checked and found out they had almost 90% of successful placements within 3 months after the course ends. Remember the end goal here and work towards it. Next, we'll talk about starting a business or becoming a freelancer.